Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today we have a fantastic product to review with you, the TECMIYO 2x8GB DDR3 1333MHz UDIMM desktop memory RAM. This top-quality RAM is designed to boost the performance of your desktop computer and enhance your overall computing experience. Featuring a memory frequency of 1333 MHz and a voltage of 1.5 V. This DDR3 memory module offers lightning-fast data transfer speeds and seamless multitasking capabilities. With its non-ECC design and high-quality cooling fin, this RAM ensures stable and efficient performance for all your computing needs. That's not all. The TECMIYO DDR3 RAM comes with a wide range of unique features that make it stand out from the competition. From its compatibility with Intel Xeon Scalable and Intel Core processors to its support for USB 2.0 and USB 3.0, this RAM is truly a game-changer for desktop users. In addition to its impressive performance, this memory module is designed with durability in mind, ensuring a long and reliable service life for your hardware. Plus, with its special graphene material, this RAM offers excellent electrical conductivity and thermal conductivity, providing superior heat dissipation and prolonging the lifespan of your computer hardware. But don't just take our word for it. The TECMIYO DDR3 RAM boasts a quality certification of C and ROSE, assuring you of its exceptional performance and reliability. And with a maximum RAM capacity of 64 GB, this memory module has the power to take your desktop to the next level. So, if you are looking for a high-performance, durable, and reliable memory module for your desktop, look no further than the TECMIYO 2x8GB DDR3 1333MHz UDIMM desktop memory RAM. With its exceptional features and unparalleled performance, this is the perfect investment for your computing needs. So why wait? Upgrade your desktop today with the TECMIYO DDR3 RAM. You won't be disappointed. Simply click the link in the description to purchase this incredible DDR3 RAM and take your desktop computing experience to new heights. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your system's performance and stability. Upgrade to TECMIYO DDR3 RAM today.